Okay, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe an interesting thing you have learned from a foreign culture. So you will talk about one thing
Okay.
you learned from another country's culture. It can be their tradition or anything like that. Please start.
Well, an exciting thing which I catched up from foreign culture was about Mother's Day, because in my country there is no official celebration of Mother's Day. I learned this from one of my friend who was at college, and she went out to US for higher studies. In summer break, he came back and he told me about Mother's Day celebration there. I was very excited after hearing that, because in our culture there is no official day, and we don't celebrate this day. Still, we live with our parents and respect them, but there is no special occasion or day or time to celebrate that. So she told about that there are separate functions at the school on that day. Mothers are invited, they are given gifts, and then they go out for dinner, and they enjoy all day with their mothers, respecting them and telling them that how important they are to them. So I was very much excited after hearing that. So I decided to celebrate that day with my mother. So I made a plan with my sister. We both went out and got a beautiful gift for our mother. When we presented that gift to her, she was very happy after seeing
Okay,
that.
that's very good. Overall, it's fine. Just try to connect your ideas together, use some connecting words,
Okay,
and
sir.
make compound sentences
Compound
mainly. You
sentences.
speak very comfortably, but if you make more compound sentences and if you connect your ideas by using some linking words, it's going to be even better.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now let's move on to speaking part 3. What is the best way to learn about another culture?
Uh, the best way to learn about another culture is by interacting with different people, by using social media, where you can make different type of friends from different countries and different cultures. You interact with them, you know them more, and in this way you can get more about knowledge about their culture and enjoy.
All right. Do you think we can learn about American culture by watching American movies?
Movies don't give that much knowledge about culture, but having American friend and talking to them and their family, knowing about their family functions, we can learn more about the culture, not from movies.
Okay. Overall, it's good. Just try to practice a
Okay,
lot,
sir.
connecting words and compound sentences.
Okay,
they will
sir.
bring your band score like better
Okay, sir.
than this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much.